is Star Wars Episode 7 Remote Control BB-8 toy, and it's only exclusively available at Target. But that's okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open this toy for you, and we're gonna do a quick review to see if it's really as awesome as it looks. So it looks like we have 2 pieces so far. And of course the instructions that come with it. And here is BB-8's body. Another instruction. And lastly, the remote control. So it doesn't look too complicated to put together. The head feels very lightweight, and of course it's made out of plastic, but still sturdy. Here's his body. Let's take a quick look at the instructions to read over them. So to open this, you just twist it and it pops right open. Now we do have to put batteries. This toy does not come with batteries. This body kit right here takes 4 AA batteries. There's 3 on one side, and there's another battery that goes on the bottom side. You'll close it up and screw it back up. Simple enough. And you'll place it inside like this on the bottom piece, and then close it with the other top half of the lid. The remote also requires batteries. It does take 2 AAA batteries, and again, this toy does not come with batteries, so you will need AA's and AAA batteries. You can hear that droid talking already. To wake him up, you just shake him. And he is ready to go. Once you place his head on top, you'll want to connect it to the magnet piece, sort of like a magnetic field. It'll pull it, attract to it, and it'll stay stuck on the ball. You'll take the remote and twist his head, and it auto-corrects itself. Now you're ready to play with BB-8. Now to turn them off, all you do is turn BB-8 upside down. And you can hear him going to sleep or shutting down. to sleep, you'll notice I'm touching the remote and he doesn't turn on. To turn him back on, all you have to do is just shake him a little. That wakes him up. Place his head back up. Give his head a little twist. And he's all set. We'll also take a look at what it's like inside BB-8. Here he is, without his body cover. It's pretty cool. This is a great toy. Again, it's only available at Target. Thank you so much for watching this remote control BB-8 review. Make sure to subscribe to Intense Kid and like this video.